Prayers up.
Don't go that fast.
Oh, holy! This is the
Oh my
this is the big bridge.
Alex, I don't know. You want to go across that? Walk it.
Oh no. This is like about 10 feet high. Here we send it. That's a big bridge. All right, I don't know what happens from here, so. Oh. You got another big feature down here. Drop. Oh. Jeez, that's steep. No, I might go around that.
Can I see that?
What?
Where is it? I've never been there before.
Yeah, this is all the technical stuff. Yeah, that is like straight down.
Where are we?
Yeah, no, I'm going around that. I'm not trying to die.
Let me see that.
It's very steep, Peter. Oh my gosh. Holy. Bro. Look how high they are. Nope. Alright, let's take Asylum down. Oh, there's a double back we did.
Where are you at? I've never been over
Yeah. I like close stuff. Yeah.